The law of cosines, you could write it with three different ways. The big thing to know is that the capital letter is the only place where the angle can go. So like in the word problem I have over here on this side of the screen, what angle should he navigate to go to island C? Looks like we're looking for this angle here up top, okay? To go to island C. Sorry, he rents a boat on island A. I think I'm wrong here. I think he rents a boat on island A and plans to navigate to island C, which is 8 miles away. Okay, so we want this angle theta down here. Sorry. So that's the focus, right? We want to know that angle. So whatever that angle is, you can call it capital A, capital B, capital C. You just have to make sure. Let's use this one down here, okay? Make sure that the side length that corresponds with that angle gets put in right here for lowercase c. 10 miles, 10 is the side length that's opposite of this angle. So we got to plug in 10 in for C. And it actually doesn't matter which one's A or which one's B, because the order we add in doesn't matter. The order we multiply in doesn't matter. I'm going off the screen, but I'll move it here in a second. Okay, that's what things look like when we plug in the information into the law of cosines, right? This is the angle I want to solve, so that's theta. That has to go in for capital C. This is the side length I need to solve. So since those correspond with one another, that's, they're both C's, I got to put 10 in for lowercase c. Then the other side lengths, doesn't matter which one you put in. Okay, and so when you do this, 8 squared is 64. Simplify just like you normally would. 13 squared, I should know that one. 269? No, 169. Whoop, way off. There's a temptation to combine terms that aren't alike here, so watch out. 2 times 8, 2 times 8 times 13, that makes 208. Okay, that's what things look like. Now, a lot of students try to subtract 169 by 208, but you can't because you don't know what cosine theta is yet. So let's add the 64 and the 169. Makes 233. Still can't subtract those because the 208 needs to multiply according to the order of operations first. So what you got to do is subtract 233 from both sides. 100 subtracted by 233 makes negative 133. And then to get cosine theta by itself, you got to divide both sides by negative 208. So that's going to make a positive, right? Negative 133 divided by negative 208, that makes a positive. I subtracted. Shoot, 133 divided by 208. Makes a positive. A bunch of stuff. Let's use this many. 0.639423. And then we're going to use inverse cosine to get our final answer. So if we do that, oh, I should have kept it. That's okay. Can't type today. 0.639423. We go to trigonometry, second, and then there's our inverse cosine. 50.3 if we round to the nearest tenth. 50.3.